Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? Music loud? It feels like it's a little bit loud. Somewhere around there. How are y'all doing today? It is Sunday, March 15th of 2026. I almost said 2025 and it's fucking March. I should know better than that. I don't really have a plan for today other than I think I want to work on pre-commit stuff, but I have a few things to look at in my emails, so we will take a look at that and jump into those things. Let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll start doing some stuff. But first, we got some resubs to play from the intro period. We got Beldothis, who has resubbed at 56 months. It has been a while. It's good to see you, Ken. I've been streaming less often than I want to, which is unfortunate. We also have Particularly Pythonic, who has resubbed at 13 months. And finally, we have Belwada, who has resubbed at 22 months. Thank you all for your continued support. It's great to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Oh, Particularly Pythonic, you've reached the 30 stream streak. I guess you get early VIP. That is what I promised. If anyone gets to 30 streams. Welcome to VIP, Particularly Pythonic. We also had Backseat Advisor, who used 10 bits, the cheapest cheer that you can cheer on the channel. But let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll jump into things. Looks like Beldothis was first today. Ormus is also still here? Still here? No, here. What do you mean? Usually you post before the stream starts, which is why. How do I do this again? We've got Belwada. Look at this National Geographic program, a wild Anthony in its natural habitat. Yeah, amongst the penguins, or whatever the fuck Mr. Cumbersnatch says. JJMC is also here. Hello, hello. Macapelon, good to see you. Long time no see, indeed. Mostly on me. B-Cop is here. Hello, hello. How you doing? How are things? Am I writes code today? In theory, maybe. Backseat Advisor, hello, hello. Spitfire says today's tax file day over here while I still have power up in TC location. So the TC for me is Traverse City, but I don't think that's the TC for you. Is it a country code? Because it's not tax day here. What is TC to you, Spitfire? Oh, you are in Traverse City. I see. Neat. Are you doing early tax filing? I'm planning to go to TC later this year, which will be fun. Particular Pythonic says, Happy Ides to all who celebrate. What is that? What is Ides? A specific day in the ancient Roman calendar. Roughly the midpoint of March. Cool. Neat. Fantastic says, I was heading to the mall, I got lost. What is happening here? What? Well, you're not at the mall. You've taken a wrong turn. You missed it. Macapelon has resubbed at 4 months. Not a streak, but still, it's all good. It's all good. I appreciate your continued support. Excuse me, sir. This is a Wendy's. But welcome to the stream, fantastic. ACDC, what? Ides of March, Caesar's assassination. Ah, I see. This is not the mall. I see. I'm glad you know as well. Okay. Did I do anything since last time? I don't think so. I've not really been computering all that often. Yeah, this is what we did several streams ago. Also, it is really hot in my room. What the fuck? How do I make it not hot in here? I guess I could turn the lights off. We get mood lighting Anthony Writes Code stream. But let's start with the first thing that I wanted to look at, which is this thing. Yeah. I just haven't had time to look at it. This model looks weird, sir. Why are we doing this Commodore 64 looking thing? Commodore 64? Can you run Python on a C64? Surely somehow. This is a simulator for C64 in Python. That's the opposite. DDALSP! Thank you for the resub at 63 months. It's good to see you again. I appreciate your continued support. I hope you're doing well. It is sort of like yesterday. That's true. Rollers is here on a 60. What the fuck? What the fuck? How do you not have VIP, Rollers? Why does it not let me give you VIP? Is that why you don't have VIP? Rollers. Oh. Well, welcome to VIP. 60 streams? What the fuck? I don't even think I did 60 streams last year, did I? Let's see, recordings, streams, 2025. Oh, I did. Okay, I did do 60 last year, but still, goddamn! Holy shit! Welcome back. It's good to see you. That's crazy. That's such a big number. But how you doing? How are things? A toy Python compiler targeting the 6502. Someone is like, please, I want this. I mean, in theory, you could probably use like fucking MicroPython on on a C64, but probably with funky processor nonsense. Sound that Rollers gets the same amount of babbies as me for this streak. That's not fair. It's true. You would think they would scale, but no. Rollers just gets the 450 babbies. Dude also gets 450 babbies. It's Twitch scamming. Twitch scamming out here. This is wild to me. I barely show up for 60 streams in a row. I'm the one streaming. I'm always here, just mainly lurking. That's awesome. I'm thoroughly impressed, and you strongly deserve your VIP badge for that. Holla holla Whedon boys, hey welcome. Funtastic says I wanted to use my MicroPython, but she said no. Oh. Well, pouring out for Funtastic's MicroPython. Yeah. I mean, doesn't hurt to ask, I guess. So at least you got the consent part of it, which is an important one. Okay, anyway, back to this. Oh, does this actually work? Does this actually work? I don't think this works. Maybe it does. I seem to remember identify. Mr. Swats, hello, good to see you again as well. He also says, but yes, I'm alive, though depending on which weather model you ask, and the NWS, I may be dead soon. Oh, is there bad weather coming your way? Radar, map, United States. It could be worse. Pinkish snow? Question mark? Fuck off. Reject all. Oh, wow. Annoying. Oh, it's the ice. The ice for me. Yeah, the weather where I am is weird today too. But yeah, there's a big old front going on there. We're in a winter weather advisory until 1 a.m. Whoa. Everything north of Big Rapids is expected to get 2/10 to a ½ inch of ice. Oh yeah, this looks like it's gonna be a mess up here. Damn. What does my weather say? Oh, what the fuck? Why am I inside? It's so nice out today. And it's gonna be miserable all week. Well, fortunately, I don't get to care about the week because that's where I'm gonna be this weekend. Wow. Fucking heat advisory. Winter advisory here, heat advisory there. Goddamn. Well, that'll be a thing. Wisconsin's getting bonked by the weather, it's true. Kevin's here, hello, hello. How's it going? Good to see you. I'm doing well. Backseat advisor says I just right-click delete element when that cookie crap pops up. Yeah, but I think it default opts you in if you do that, which is not what the people want. Or did he just put it in the repo itself? Yeah, because Max has commit bit. Oh my god, there we go. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Oh, my mouse cursor is still fucked. Yeah. Yeah. No. No, manually activate it. You know what? This is actually what I wanted to do. This is actually what I want to do. The cold front came through like 3 hours ago. I woke up to 65 outside. Damn, nice. Kevin says, how's it going? It's going pretty well. It's going pretty well. I don't know. I feel like I haven't really been doing computer in a while, which is good and bad in some ways. It's good because like computer is computer. But also at the same time, like, it means I haven't been streaming and I haven't been, I haven't been streaming and I haven't been making videos, and I feel bad about that. And that means that YouTube tells me my numbers are shit, and then Twitch tells me my numbers are shit, and then it's like, well, it's hard to ignore the numbers, which is also annoying. But we fixed the kitty script, which is nice. That was a few streams ago. That was productive. Please ship it. Moose is here. Hello, hello. Kevin says, great. I'm doing great as well. It's good to hear. It's good to hear. Lazy Schemer says, do you still do computers yourself or vibe code everything now? I don't vibe anything, so yes, I still computers. Do a vlog from California? Should I vlog for the second channel? As long as I guess I have to fucking edit it. I don't want to do that. I don't want to edit. I don't want to edit. Editing fucking sucks, man. Exonity! Thank you for the resub at 62 months. Look at the where's the whiskey? What happened to the whiskey, Exonity? Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again, and I hope you're doing well. I appreciate you stopping by. Did I say hi to you, Wusa? If not, hello again, Wusa. Hello twice. Even hello twice. Mr. Swat says, I used the kitty script at my new job and shared it with my new coworkers. Nice. Yeah, the reason I didn't know because I forgot to click on your name that I read you. It's my snazzy pink border user script that somehow still works all these years. I'm glad that one hasn't broken yet. Did I not mention Exonity's tier 3? Of course we got to mention Exonity's tier 3, but I was so worried about the whiskey. What the fuck is this shit? That's not whiskey. You're getting scammed. Where's the whiskey emote? Wait, can I see it through your chat history? No, don't click the moderator actions. This is what it used to look like. There we go. There's the sub message. Wait, here. We've lost the whiskey emote. Who are you? No, it's fine. You don't depend on YouTube, do you? No, not at all. But it still feels not great to watch. Number go down, but like one day I would like to reach 100,000 subscribers. I'm never reaching it at this rate. There were months where I was getting 1,000 subscribers a month, and then like there was a reasonable time frame where the growth would catch up and I would eventually get to 100K, but I don't think that's happening. And these arrows are not great. And yeah, I mean, this video was maybe not the best. And I don't know. It's just, oh, that's weird. That was super weird. I dropped the tab. I dropped the tab exactly on the X of another tab. Maybe it has to be the first tab. Yeah. It's gone now. Where did the tab go? Oh, it's here. Wait. I don't know how I did it. Super funky. Anyway, the tab disappeared, but now it's back. Good job, tab. Emma, thank you for the resub at 69 months. Nice. Nice. Good to see you again, Emma. I hope you're doing well. I appreciate you stopping by, as always. And I hope things are going well with you. 69 nice, hell yeah. Hell yeah. You know, says I really need to learn how to do optional imports within a Python library for various reasons, but this feels like a future David problem that I don't want to think about right now. True. Kevin says I'm honestly doing less AI now than 6 months ago. The brain rot is real, right? Spitfire says don't have to fast on Sundays, so enjoying some red wine myself. Gave up alcohol for Lent. Ah, cool. Well, cheers to you, Spitfire. I am planning to I was gonna say not drink this week, but maybe the more realistic answer is drink less this week, because I am running the Oakland Marathon, half marathon, and 5K. I know. Why am I running 2 races? Are they on different days? No, they are back to back. Is this a good idea? Probably not. Probably not. But the half marathon start is at 7 a.m. and the 5K start is at 9 a.m. So I can usually finish a half marathon in 2 hours. So this should be no big deal, right? 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 Because Mel is running the 5K, so I'm running the 5K with Mel. Well, what did the wiggly thing do? Why did it wiggle? Why can I not make it wiggle again? How did it wiggle? What did I do? How did I make it wiggle? I want to make it wiggle again. It's the story of my life, right? Oh, wait, I did it! How did I do it? Fuck, I'll never know. At least the current sub count has 6-7 in it? What do you mean? Oh, my YouTube sub count? Yeah, kill me. Resist the YouTube numbers pressure? I mean, it's true, but I also feel like I should upload every week. But I also feel like that's like weird pressure too. I don't fucking know, man. I don't know. Spitfire says I blame AI content for stealing a lot of the programming watch time on YouTube. I think that's actually kind of true. That checks out with my thoughts. Mr. Swat says engineered a marathon runner pipeline, right? Yesterday was Pi Day. How do I show you this without giving away my location? I don't think I can actually. But I ran a bunch of multiples of 3.14 miles yesterday, which was fun. Emma says, wait, if you're in the Bay, we should meet up. Hell yeah. I'm going to be there Thursday till Tuesday morning. I think I'm pretty free on Monday during the day. So let me know. Happy to hang out. So it's 21 kilometers plus 5 kilometers. Yeah, which is not that much. It's only, you know, 1 over 1.6 of a marathon or whatever. This is not that bad. It's like, what, 18 miles? And I did 21 miles this weekend, so it's not that big of a deal. Actually, let me look at my spreadsheet. Spreadsheet time. Look at my running spreadsheet. Wow. Wow. Also, if I got this fancy chart that shows my like goal time or goal miles. So if I want to say like, I have a 2,000 mile goal, it'll dynamically update how far ahead or behind I am on miles. And I got a chart. Look at my chart. Look at this cool fucking chart. Yeah, chart. But yeah, I didn't realize I was gonna get to 50 miles this week, but if I run 4 miles today, which I didn't run because I didn't go to run club this morning because I was up too late last night. Yeah. So normally I almost always just slap a fucking 6 in here and we call it good, but I haven't run anything yet today, so I gotta do that. I am well, actually I'm over 420 miles a year, but I only put integers in my spreadsheet because I don't like floating point. Floating point sucks ass. Ignore the floating points up here. But yeah, running spreadsheet. Yeah. Whisper says, "Cause why not?" Right? You mean the double race? Yeah. Well, I wanted to run the 5K with Mel, and Mel's like, "You're gonna be bored. You should run a different race." And I'm like, "Well, what distance should I run?" She's like, "Go run the half." And I'm like, "Oh, but if I run the half, I can also run the 5K." And Mel's like, "That's a dumb idea." I'm like, "I agree, but I'm gonna do it anyway." And the website kind of doesn't let you sign up twice, so I had to do some like fucking thing with my name. So I think I'm signed up under a slightly different name for the other one, but we'll see. We'll see what happens in packet pickup, because I'm sure they're gonna be like, "We have you for 2 things. This is weird." Like, oh yeah. Say hi to Juice and Tofu. I will. The wiggle is Chrome split view. If you drag a link to the left, it'll wiggle the rest of the page. Oh shit! But I must have like just put it there. Well, you have to like put it there and... Oh. How do I get it to just wiggle? I gotta like bait the animation. Well, now I don't understand. Oh wow, that took forever. Well, the cooldown on that is forever. This feature sucks ass. How does anyone want it? Ugh, fucking, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, we got there. We figured it out. Thank you, D-Dels. I appreciate you. Mr. Swan says, "Good job, Anthong. Don't let dumb decisions stop you from having fun." Ayo, that's so true. Easy Light says, "Good evening. Hello. How's it going?" Somebody earlier said like you should make it so clicking ship it adds a random GIF, and that's exactly what it does. Do we have a pull request? No. We surely have a pull request here though. That's exactly what my user script does. That's kind of the point. And that if you click approve, and it puts a random GIF in there. In fact, if you can click multiple times, and you'll get multiple ones. Wow, look at all these cats being like, yeah, begrudgingly ship it. I don't actually want to approve this, so let's not do that. Yeah. Second name is Panthony. I think I spelled Anthony with a different Y. I was just like, good enough. Husky's just a cat in disguise. Yeah. There's some that are not cats also. Like I think there's Pikachu. And then the sheep. And also dog. And more cat. And Pikachu. And it took me so long to realize that this is a cat like that has hind legs. Because for a while I thought this was just like fucking photoshopped. And then there's this, which is definitely not a cat. It's definitely just a person in a box. And then the don't ship it ones. Oh, you can't see this one. Yeah, before I fixed the script, I accidentally posted this on someone's pull request. I was like, uh-oh, we gotta fix that one. That one's broken. But yeah, if you want this, this is where the code live. And there's the Grease Monkey user script. Please don't ship it. Actually, just delete all your code. Okay, thanks. What was this one? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is a Chris creation, Emma. Yeah. Where is my chapstick? What the fuck? It might be in the other room. I'll be right back. I made the user script. Chris was the one collecting the GIFs and then just manually doing it. And I was like, we are computer. We can automate this. Theodore, hello. Welcome back. Give me 1 sec. I need to find my chapstick. Where the fuck are you? I think it might be my car, which doesn't really make sense unless it's... Oh. It is under one of my fidget toys. Typical. Okay, so that's the first thing that I want to get done, and we gotta do this, and then bump hatch. And I did remember to do my password manager. Paste. Ta-da! What's my favorite fidget? It's kind of hard to say because I feel like I play with this one a lot just because like it's simple, although it's falling apart, which means I need to finish assembling. Well, I need to start assembling and finish assembling my 3D printer so I can make another one. Because I broke this one. It's like slightly broken. I was playing with it and I was like, these don't align quite right here. And so I was like, oh, I'll just pull one of them out and realign it. But now this one, now it's really fucked up. Kind of hard to see, but it's really fucked up. It is really askew. I like this one because the magnets are pretty satisfying, but I feel like it's a little limited in like the number of orientations where it clicks together. So it's kind of fun. Yeah, no, I can't get it to go back to, there we go, back to cube. I really like these bubble wrap balls, but they get deflated really quickly. So like this one's already like kind of half deflated. I do like my classic fidget spinner. It's you know, Old Faithful, pretty good. Oh, metal cube. Yeah, wait. I think I put the metal... Where did I put the metal cube? Oh, I put it over here. I put it further away because it's loud and annoying, but I do really like this. It's very satisfying. But it's loud, and like I have a tendency to like pick it up during meetings and people are like, what's that fucking clicky clack noise that you got going there? Like that's really annoying. But yeah, I do like that. I also have this guy, which like just fucking looks really cool. There, you got a big view. It's like geared. You can also grab it here and spin it. This one has a problem though. The bearings on it are amazing. This one has a problem though in that it unscrews itself slowly. So like sometimes I'll spin it and it'll just fucking fly. I think it's pretty tight right now, but this one also has like a bunch of different options and how you can spin it. It's also very, very, very satisfying. But what else do I got? Oh, I have a combination fidget spinner with bubble pop things. This one's all right. It has a sharp edge on it somewhere, so like if I play with it too much, I end up like cutting my fingers, which is not the greatest, but you know, is what it is. What else do I got here? Oh, I have the original Kickstarter fidget cube, which I used to use all the time, but people would hate it in the office because this is pretty loud. But I like the spinny side of this one. I kind of don't like the buttons on it because only 2 of them are clicky, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Ooh, I like this one, but it's also really annoying. It's just balls that you can spin around, but you can also rotate. So then you have different orientation. Ooh, it's kind of fun. Then I have my 2-key keyboard, which is actually a functional keyboard. This is how I put in my 1s and 0s. Ignore my face. There we go. But it's pretty good. And then my last fidget item. Do I not have any more? I guess not. My last fidget item is my camera lens cap. Yeah. I guess I have Forg. Look how cute he is. Look at little Forg. Blap. Blap. Okay, anyway. Anyway. Oh, what did I do here? Oh, is my clock wrong? Oh, it is wrong. What a coincidence. I didn't mean to open this up to fix date and time, but thank you, current me. Wait, it didn't fix it. Oh, it did fix it. Nice. Noise. Major Tanya, hello. How's it going? Kevin says, haven't used my kinesis in like a year. Got 18 words per minute. Damn. 3D printer assembly stream when? So I actually got all this stuff out, and then I was feeling a little sad. So I didn't press start stream, but I charged all the fucking microphones. I like set up all the cameras. I booted the computer. I got all the shit out. I set up a table to assemble stuff on, and then I just didn't go live. So, and then I put everything back in the room where it's currently sitting now. So, yeah. The clicky noise is so unprofessional. SMH my head. Yeah, exactly. Baldathus's favorite is the original fidget cube. It's pretty good. I wish the dice buttons were clickier though. There's only 2 clicky ones, which yeah. Mr. Swat says I use noise torch. Is that the like what do they call it? RTX voice? You guys remember RTX voice? Is that still a thing? RTX voice. April of 2020. I guess it's not a thing anymore. But it's really good. I guess there's a modern version of it. But yeah, we used to use that all the time on stream because we would have all sorts of background noise from the fucking lawn people. Real OGs remember the lawn people. Particularly Pythonic says I have a magnetic key switch opener that I like to fidget with, and Baglary beads. I'm worried about searching this. What is this? Greek inspired skill toy. What the fuck? How does it work? What's Can I get a demo of whatever this thing is? Alright. We're gonna watch a fucking Amazon video so I can learn what this thing is. I'm worried. Should I just mute it? I should probably mute it. What the Holy hell. What the fuck is this? God damn. Okay, this shit just looks kind of easy though. Why did he slow-mo it? Okay, alright. That's enough of that. Okay, I get the idea. Neat. I've never heard of those before. Easy Light says, just use blue switches in your keyboard so your fidget spinner isn't the loudest noise. You sound like some of my previous coworkers. Oh my god, he's a real programmer. It's true. Keyboard for the next add-on code, right? Control C, Control V keyboard, sponsored by Stack Overflow. No, I assembled this myself. I think this is a solderless board, but it's put together. Marsha's here. Hello, hello, Marsha. What in the furry emote is this one? Oh, it's 2 emotes. Nice. Nice. You're drowning in snow. Yeah, we were actually just looking at how Wisconsin is getting pegged by the storm. Or wait, what was the word? Bonked by the storm? That's what somebody said. Yeah, it's getting bonked by the storm. Major Tanya says 49 out of 50. Where? Where? The long people. Yeah. Kevin says, brr, brr, I remember. Yeah. The fucking long people. It's 2-weighted metal bits with a string in the middle. Yeah. Clearly, Anthong isn't skilled enough for the skill toy. I mean, I could probably do some of the skill toys. Maybe. 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 Copyright, yeah. Well, fortunately, the audio doesn't end up in the VOD, but maybe on fucking Twitch or whatever. RTX Voice is in the NVIDIA broadcast app. Ah, that would make sense. Donner, hello. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I don't know why you got strange accent for that, but you get strange accent. A real unregistered Hypercam 2 feel. Yeah. Right? You haven't had Bun Buns in a while. What's the fucking channel? Mop Garden? Are we getting Marsha some buns? Twitch Mop Garden. Mop Garden? This looks right. Yeah. Gift sub to specific viewer. What is your handle right now? Fluff Bun. Yeah, fuck it. Welcome to Buns, Morsha. AKC says, is that bare metal Ubuntu? Yeah. Definitely real Ubuntu. Also, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Oh, you're at 49 out of 50. Wait, you're at 49 out of 50? Well, you're already above 30 then. You've already earned it, Major Tanya. Or did I say it was 50, not 30? Did I say it was 50 or did I say it was 30? Major Tanya. Either way, you deserve it. Welcome to VIP. I said 50? Oh, well, I gave someone 30 earlier, so. Oh, I gave particularly Pythonic 30 earlier. Oh well. Since I moved the goalposts, congrats. March says, I've just been doing the usual lurking in cute places for free emotes. I see. Spitfire says, have you tried Zen browser? Is that the Firefox fork? I mean, I usually just use Firefox. Yeah. I usually just use Firefox. I don't want to learn another. I don't want to learn anything. I don't want to learn a new thing. 50-30, what's the difference? I mean, yeah. Wusa says if it was 30, I would have been VIP in January. I trust you, Wusa. There you go. We're handing them out like candy today. I hope I don't run out. Linux VM inside Windows is the simplest way to stream a Linux install. Anything else still requires a capture card in Windows, host device, the Linux box, outputs to a monitor. I mean, you could just use OBS in Linux. And then he's really a 90-year-old man. Yeah, I need my fucking cough candy too. Where did they go? I guess I'll get them when I get up. Getting close to the new Ubuntu month? Oh, that's true. Fuck, it's next month. We're getting a new LTS. What's the next LTS name? LTS names. I'm fucking dying before then, I guess. List of releases. Is this gonna have the new one? Where is the new one? Why no? What's the next one called? 22604. Resolute. Oh, do we trust the AI? Do we trust the slop? Oh yeah, it's correct. Huh. Resolute. I did kind of like the jingle of Noble. Did I see the new Firefox logo? Oh no. Why is there a new Firefox logo? It still looks the same. This looks the same. I don't know what this is down here. That guy's... he's kind of cute. This is giving me a little sussy vibes though. Is this the new logo? It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. That's not it? Oh. New Firefox logo. Oh. This is very flat design. Is it this one or is it this one? Both of these are new. Weird. Man, I remember these ones. Wild. Anyway. Kit is the fox. Ah, I see. Grammar correction, the Linux device outputs duplicate output device capture card and a real monitor. Yeah. Well, I mean, you could also just stream on Linux. Yeah. I read Hoary Hedgehog as a horny hedgehog. Could you imagine there would be an Ubuntu horny? How many Ubuntu VMs do you have right now? I think I only have one on this machine. Oh. No, I have two. But I wish I could see when the last time I powered this on is, because I suspect it's been almost 4 years, and I should just Mary Kondo the shit out of this. We don't need to hoard VMs. Maybe you can find it. Machine. Where's the logs? Where's the logs? Last boot was September 26th of 2025. So actually not that long ago. Why did I start this machine? That's a weird one. Shrugs. Exonity says still rocking jammy. Well, I feel like you're is that the one that's dead? That's dead? I feel like that's, oh no, that's 22. 22 is still fine for another year. Another year. Focal's the one that just went end of life. Marsha perked up because someone said horny hedgehogs. Yeah. The new logo is shit. Yeah, it's not. It's a purple dot. Oh, that's even worse. AKC says, I used to bare metal Ubuntu before it broke on me one day. Didn't have a flash drive. Couldn't redo my laptop for a week. Oh no. Yeah, I have Ubuntu directly installed on a few of my machines. Just not the stream machine. Not the stream machine. Bozo's here. Hello, hello. How's it going? They deleted the fox from their logo on TikTok. No. No. Marsha says, I was hoping for an anthro fox sucking itself off. It's always had that 69 shape. Oh no. What the fuck? Look at the new Firefox mascot design they gave him pretending it was a red panda. Did they really pretend that it was a red panda? Are you using the logo in the Firefox Reddit? Firefox Reddit. Oh. I hate that. Bring back the fox. So true. So true, bestie. What the fuck is this shit? That sucks ass. I'm gonna make a fork of Firefox that's just Firefox with fox. Probably to generate hype for a rebranding. Gross. Gross. Major Tanya says when they release 2604, I can finally upgrade my service to 2404. Yeah, click Show and Explore. Yeah, that's exactly what I did. VM file should have a last used. Does the VM file itself have a last used? Not VBucks. Well, it has a write time. The write time is actually that same date. Friday, September 26th. Although accessed today, I think access time is just going to be any time that I open this. Which makes sense. Ikarin says, what up? Oh, you know, not much. Not much. How you? Firefox Globe without the Firefox is Firefox Nightly. Yeah, I do have that on my phone. I think I have it on my phone so that I can install extensions in dev mode, and you can't do that without Nightly or some shit. I don't know. What did I just walk into? What do you mean? Oh, were you here with the horny Muhambat or whatever the fuck we were talking about? Horny, what was the H animal? Hedgehog. That one. Yeah. Gly says, hello, Anthony. I failed my senior engineer interview. They asked me what if main equals name meant, and I didn't know. Oh. I assume you mean the if name equals main. Yeah, this seems like more trivia than I mean, if you write Python, it is something you should probably know. But it is slightly more trivia. He fell for it? What do you mean I fell for it? What do you mean I fell for it? I'm just trying to be helpful, man. Fucking doing me like that. Goddamn. I was gonna explain it, but I'm pretty sure I can just link my YouTube video on it instead. I got one guide. Fucking I got one guide. Yeah. Do I have one on the other form? No. Anyway, go watch my fucking video then. God damn. The logo looks like the face of the AI in a sci-fi movie that kills humanity. What? Dream Shader says, is it crazy to rewrite PyTest test to unit test? Yes. Because of import times? Yes. Yeah, 100%. It's like being like it would be like what would be an equivalent? Getting rid of Flask because simple HTTP server imports faster. I profiled with PyInstrument and most of the time was in PyTest func call. That means that that just wraps every function that gets called. So that's not actually the important amount of time. The important time is actually in your test itself. You want to look at self time, not cumulative time. come time. Major Tiny says I just never got around to 2404 on my servers because when it was released there were some shenanigans going on and I just never did it. I don't trust do release upgrade. Oh, I don't either. I usually install from scratch. Actually, that reminds me. Did I ever upgrade Prigment CI? I remember being like, I'm gonna do it later. Did I ever do it? I guess in both places. Did I ever do it? Did I ever upgrade the Python version here either? Wow, there's a lot of local branches here. And now they're gone. Yeah, I did upgrade this. Did I upgrade the Python version? No. The default Python is still 3.12. That it definitely should be 3.14. It definitely should be 3.14. How did I do this last time? I did it wrong that time. How did I do it this time? There we go. I did it correct this time. And sort of? No. I didn't do it right that time either. Oh no, I did do it right that time. Yeah, that makes sense. Pi 3.14 defaults. Docker file and then bin info underscore info probably. Boza says doing pretty good. In 2 days I will have a control test for VO2 max. Oh, like are you gonna get hooked up to a machine on a treadmill and a blurp thing? I don't know what they're called. Ventilator to get real numbers, or are you getting like just watch numbers? My watch numbers are kind of bullshit. McCablin says extensions came out of beta a month or two ago on Firefox Android. They came out of Nightly more than a year ago. Oh, I mean being able to install custom extensions. Like, I know extensions have been, you could use them for forever, but I mean like extensions that are unsigned. Kevin says you should really know that, TBH. Yeah, it's true. Spitfire says top level VBox file element machine includes a last state change. So I don't know if that's the last time you power the machine. Yeah. Well, the last time the disk was written is also, I think, pretty accurate because the disk gets written on every boot. So it seems fine. Ikarin says I'm watching the video from 4 years ago and you look exactly the same. Yeah. Anthony age is great. It's all the day drinking. Fuck. Imagine if that was the that's the key to longevity is fucking day drinking. It's not chat. Don't, the bad influence. Don't. Yeah. Okay, so change that. So we need to add 3.12 here and remove 3.14. Yeah. Python 3 Python 3.14 is the default Python. I can spell. Dreamshade, it says I have 220 Postgres/Valkey tests that are executed within 5 seconds and I want to minimize the time to 2 seconds at least. I tried everything as even possible with Python. Well, how long does an individual test take? Because that's kind of going to be your limiter. And how many cores do you have, and how many instant, like, true database instances do you have? And that's kind of going to be your limit. And then you would need some way to manage the multiprocessing stuff to make that work. Regex, that's a good name. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, we'll let that happen. 3.12 is still Ubuntu LTS latest, so no surprise. Yeah. Any plans to port Dead Snakes to Debian? To Debian? Fancy you ask that. It is part of the FAQ. Non-Ubuntu distributions, Debian, etc. Yeah, I'm not gonna reread this, but you can read it. Well, the answer is not unless somebody pays me. Kevin says I did a VO2 max test last year and my Garmin watch was pretty close. Huh, impressive. My watch just gave me another VO2 max point. I went from 50 in October, and I just got 52 the other week. But and my watch clocked at 59. The test gave 56. Damn, Kevin's in a little bit better shape. Marsha says that just happens once you get old. You start looking the same forever. Yeah, that's how it works. Min 0.3 seconds, max 0.8 seconds with xdist. It's even slower. Yeah, xdist will do that. Xdist will do that. No, this is why you were blocked. Emma. I have a backseat filter. Was it Reginald Expressions? It was Reginald Expressions. Ashley's here. Hello, hello. How's it going? Good to see you again. Isn't that a good filter, though? I think it's a pretty good filter. Are you winning? I mean, maybe. Speaking of not winning, why is 314 failing? That's kind of weird. It's probably gotta get it back to this thing. Nope, it's a launchpad thing. What is this output? Splitting host argument of PPA Dead Snakes Nightly. Setting host argument. Cool debug messages, I guess. Requested action not taken. Internal server error. 550. Is that HTTP 550? Seems invented. Seems not the oop. Okay, so it's probably not broken. It's probably just fucking shit as usual. So I'm just gonna ignore the failure, and tomorrow it will pick up the new version. Buzzer says I use my HR band Polar H10 for that. So it's fairly correct, and I will just compare it against my old test. Once I get better cardiovascular results, I'll go to the lab. Nice. I've never been to the lab to bother for that. Although then again, I've only been running for like a year and a half since I picked up running again, because I also ran for like a year and a half pre-pandemic. Wait, how did you oh, it's you should use, not you should go fuck yourself. Yeah. Yep. Kevin says the 59 VO2 max is measured from cycling, so it seems to be higher than when I run for some reason. Ah, interesting. Yeah, mine's all from running. Kilobyte says, do it live. Welcome to the stream. Hello. Kevin says, oh, that should be more accurate because I have a chest HR heart rate strap and effect pedals. What is an effect pedal? I only know effect pedals from like music. What does it mean for... What does it mean? Love custom HP error codes, right? Yeah, I don't know why Launchpad did that. Happy Sunday, indeed. Or Monday for those of us in the future, I guess. I'm not in the future, but surely some of you are. Why did chat just blink? Oh, probably because... Wait. How did this get through? It's true. S1 Cube, thank you for the resub at 58 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. There's surely some funky character in here, right? Why did I write my comprehension without squackets? Yeah. Two non-characters. Cyrillic small letter O and Cyrillic small letter I. Neat. Ikran, you've got 10k babbies. When does the gambling happen? I don't know. We haven't had anything to gamble on. This actually looks really funny. Hidden fuck yourself. Yeah. Diddle says, fucking have this long discussion about 307 versus 308 versus 301, 302. Oh, it's 307 and 308. I know 30 fucking 1 and 2 gets thrown around a lot. HP 307. Oh, temporary redirect. This is the one for redirecting posts, right? Like 301 and 302 are, it should be forbidden for post. Supposed to be using, but redirecting posts is kind of funky. Or redirecting, mutating things. Jazz band is sunsetting? Really? Like this thing? This thing is sunsetting? I mean, it was always kind of a, not really a, yeah. Why have they done this? Why is it diagonal? Ba 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 ba. What happened? The slupocalypse. Yeah. 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 Trust is gone. Where the worst case was somebody accidentally merged the wrong PR. In a world where only 1 in 10 AI generated PRs meets project standards. Kill switch to disable PRs entirely. Yeah. Wait, can I toggle this now? I know you can just like set moderator options. Wow. An organization that gives push access to everyone who joins simply can't operate safely anymore. Yep, that all fucking makes sense. I now have another topic for class next week, so that's good. Which is the right chat? Not this one. Is it this one? Cool. Thank you for the See, this is why I don't need to read the news. My chat just brings the news to me. But thank you for your continued support, S1Cube. I know I got distracted in the middle of that. I appreciate you. My bunny ears as handlebars. You should stop using Babby. There's room for improvement. Well, the thing is that almost always this "you should use" filter catches people in the right way. So I haven't really needed the like "you shouldn't use" one yet. Yeah, this is I mean, kind of. This is. I mean, as much as I didn't think Jazz Band was the perfect execution of this model, in that like giving everyone trust, you're gonna have bad actors, and like who knows, like it definitely, for me, it definitely meant that when I was using software that was part of this organization, I was a little bit wary of the quality. But this is kind of a bad sign for open source, just in general. Yeah, 301 and 302 are front-end redirects, 307, 308 are back-end redirects. Yeah, okay, that's the model that I had in my head, so that makes sense. That makes sense. HP.dog, nice. Talking about using AI sloppily using M dashes. Well, at least, oh yeah, wait, so true. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Did they make this fucking blog post with AI? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. 1 in 10 is so optimistic? Yeah, there's no way it's that high, right? M dashes are great. Don't let AI take them from you. Well, I at least write them out as like dash dash, which seems fine. Slutpocalypse is a great word. It doesn't quite, it's hard to say. I wish it were easier to say. I'm more of a semicolon user. Oh shit, semicolon user? Damn. An organization that gives push to everyone is not safe back when either. Yeah, exactly what I was saying. Yeah, precisely. You shouldn't use, yeah. You shouldn't use your fingers for typing. All input should come from voice input. I know you're saying this in jest, but some of the fucking internal communications at the place I'm contracting at are so questionable. Like right now they are dead set convinced that everyone will abandon IDEs and go back to doing everything in the terminal. And I'm like, on one hand I'm like, I mean, I do everything in the terminal. On the other hand, I'm like, there's an entire generation, probably almost 2 generations of software developers that can't use a terminal at all. So there's no way that that is a direction that you want to push towards. So I'm like, what the fuck? There's no way. And so then their next thing is like, well, people shouldn't be using keyboards either. They should all just be prompting an LLM through speech recognition. And I'm like, why are we devolving the world into worse tech? This is not the direction that people want to go. You kept reading it as Jizzband. Marsha. Are they using are they using N dashes? I can honestly don't know the difference. M's the wider one, right? Unicode data.name this guy. Oh, it is an N dash. True, particularly Pythonic, true. One or two N dashes is fine. 1 or 2 every sentence, 1 every 2 sentences is an AI article. Yeah, that's why there's quite a high density in this one. Morningstar option 89. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. I don't know if you're referring to my favorite vegetarian, what do I even call it? Fake meat company, Morningstar Farms. But either way, welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. There are also kawaii status codes, but they're super limited. Oh, like they got like HP code images for anime girls. Interesting. Are these safe for stream? God, should I even look at these? What? There's no this isn't anime at all. I mean, they're kind of cutesy, but this is not what I expected. This is not what I expected. This is not like the programming girl textbook thing or anime girl programming books. Anime girl. Yeah. Anime girls holding programming books. Is this safe for stream? Mildly if we ignore the feet? Yeah, I think this is safer stream. Surely. Well, maybe I shouldn't scroll that far down. We just won't scroll that far down. This one. This one, but HTTP status codes. Come on, nerds, get on it. Why doesn't it exist? Particular Pathonic says I used 2014. I don't know what that is. Kevin says I'm getting up early tomorrow, so I gotta bounce. Thank you for stopping by, Kevin. I will see you around. Have a good one. Marsha says actually he has to use the fingers for typing to make them stronger for bouldering. Yeah, it might be the other way around though. But yeah. Major Daniel says, hey now, I know of a professor who's paralyzed. They make great use of Talon to be a computer science professor. Okay, to be fair, that's fine. I'm not shitting on like using accessibility tools for accessibility purposes. I'm shitting on the notion that everyone will be using text-to-speech or speech recognition for all programming because we don't need to write code. We just need to prompt the LLM. Like that just doesn't fucking make any sense to me. Hold a terminal, make bad business, right? Right? Dino says, I can't use voice to text because it uses sudo for my dog's name, and that's not acceptable to me. Spitfire says, a leading programming student generally does voice input more often than not. I mean, to each their own. I just don't think that an entire, not even a majority, but even a significant minority would do that. You know? Icarin says, I'm too lazy to figure out NeoVim. Yeah. Like use Vim or Nano or completely vibe code. So completely vibe code. So like CLI driven agentic workflows or kill me. That just sounds fucking terrible. Morningstar Option says, what's up, Anthony, you sex symbol? This isn't even your first chat in the stream. When was the last time you were here? Because you just followed just now. You've been to the stream many times before. You were learning Python in 2024. How did that go? Not much else though. But how's it going? Welcome back. Yeah, Codex has shown that going back to the terminal isn't happening anytime soon. Boza says if JetBrains sunsets, then we can worry, but not before that. Yeah, I can't imagine them ever doing that. That doesn't really make sense to me. Marsha says it's not my fault. Yeah. They're named after the letter width. Yeah, I did know that. Glass says, can't wait to sit in my free time office around people yelling, you're a senior engineer, fix the API at their computer over and over. Okay, so I've heard this term thrown around, prompters. But I think we should instead call them prompters. Not all anime is lewd? Alright, scroll down on that fucking page then and tell me not all anime is lewd. Well, I guess that's vacuously true because some of it is safe for work, but some of it is not. Holy fuck, why are there so many? There's thousands of these now. Jesus Christ. Okay, well, and there's a lot of feet ones for some reason. The Morningstar name is from a Vertigo comic character, not the vegan thing. Technically, it was vegetarian, but yes. Icarin says, as an anime fan, Anthonk is sullying my good name. Anime Girls Holding Programming Books is one of the best repos on GitHub to weird people out with. It's not even that weird, though. Oh, Unicode point U22414 is M-dash. Okay, yeah. That makes sense. Oh, there is an anime HP codes? We found it. We got there, boys. But how do I... Is there a website? Why is there no website? Where's the fucking GitHub pages of this? Weird? Okay, anyway. Slurp count ++, yeah. Oh man. I've been slowly trying to catch up on chat and I've been unsuccessful. It's devolving into worse and worse ways of conveying info. Code is precise, human written language is worse, and spoken is even worse. Yeah, especially because you like voice detection is not, the tech is still not really there. Morningstar says it's still ongoing, keep forgetting to follow. No, it's all good, it's all good. Appreciate you clicking the button though. I've always called them prompters. Yeah. Kaxit is here. What the fuck? How did you get a Ditto badge? Fuck, I want that badge. That badge is cute. Badges earned by subscriber and gifting a sub to a Pokemon Pokopia streamer during launch. Is it too late to get it? Damn, that's a cute badge. I like your badge. I like the badge. Prompt engineer. The more O's, the more pathetic they are. Yeah. All anime is eventually lewd. I guess if you consider the fan service stuff. Yeah. Kuhani, hello, welcome, welcome. Slopperators. Ooh, I like that. That's a good one. I like that one. Marcia says, I don't remember the feet ones. I'll have to go investigate. Yep. I have it just to make you jealous. God damn it. This is like all of you and Haha Cat that I still don't have. Fucking, I don't even think that's the right capitalization. Yeah, this is the fucking, I want this emote so much, and yet I didn't get it, and it was limited edition. Limited time only emote. Fucking such a good one. And yet. Bella says, what do you think about the new Pokemon game? I haven't played it or really looked at any of the promotional material at all. So I actually don't know anything about it. Other than I think I saw like a little snippet of it. It looked kind of cute. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's kind of like Animal Crossing with like a little bit of Minecrafty stuff, and then Pokemon. Is that the idea? Is that the idea? I don't know. I don't know. Put 7 TV. I don't know how to. Give me like a step-by-step instruction. Maybe I'll do it. Modern voice to text runs the voice to text transcription through a lightweight LLM first, so it does things like vocal corrections. Then why is my car so shit at doing the things that I ask it to do via Google's speech recognition stuff? It's so bad. It's so bad. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna fill my water. I will be right back, and then we will continue. So I will see you in a sec. Hello, we back. This PR I made failed. Not this one. Not this one. This one. Why did it fail? Can run Go hooks. Permission denied to make the Go build cache. That's a weird one. That's a weird one. Why is temp not writable? Make dir temp cache. Do I set that as home? XDG cache home. Why does it not have permission to write that? Oh, I bet something else writes it as... I bet one of these other ones writes it as a root user. Well, that's annoying. Time to run the build and figure out why. It's annoying. Marsha headed out. Well, thank you for stopping by. Sempaz is here. Hello, hello. Easy Light's also going to bed. Thank you for stopping by, Easy Light. Hope you had a good stream. Hope you have a good sleep. And we will figure out this. Oh, I also forgot to do... Did this get updated? Granger is here. Hello, hello. How's it going? Will it be another Docker works on my machine moment? I doubt it. I doubt it. How you doing, Granger? Good to see you again. Pecker AMI? Oh, we're already on Noble here. Nice. So we'll update this soon. S1 Cubes at 200,000 babbies waiting for 12-hour streams to come back. I still need to do the one for my brother from fucking 3 years ago. 4 years ago? I don't even know at this point. How do I see them? Review requests. 5 years ago. Oh, right. It's 2026. It's like, oh, pandemic. That's like 3 years ago. Oh, no. God fucking damn it. Wait, Orimus, I still owe you a code review. I'm just gonna give you your points back at this point because this was more than a year ago. So, well, congrats on getting more points back. And no one has actually requested a chess game yet, which is probably for the best because I fucking suck at chess. But I put it there just in case. Green says had a minor panic over taxes. Dude, taxes. My taxes are so complicated. It's so annoying. And it's only because I have like a bajillion income sources that are all like mildly small. Alright, I should make sure that I have enough disk space. We're quickly running out. Let's free up some space before I run out. Oh no. I might not have been quick enough for this. Shit. Shit. No, is my VM grinding to a halt? No. Do I control C this? Okay, we have 3 gigs now. No, wait. We have 13 gigs now. Where did that... What? That's weird. Let's see which repo is chunky. Life's fading, hello. I see I've joined at the moment. Everything is fine stage of the stream. Yeah. Why do I have a clone of Sentry? That's almost a gig. Oh. We've got, oh right, the MyPy stats. I should probably archive wait, no, I think I did archive this data. Didn't I archive this data? We have data. Yeah, we did archive it. Okay, so I can probably free up, you know, 30 gigs here. I thought you used Podman. I do. Docker is a symlink to Podman. Yeah. Just move all of that to your share mount just in case. So I know the data that we generated is different. Like this is different than the ones that we put into this, I think. Yeah. Because we generated CSVs from it rather than the raw data. And so we would lose information here, but am I ever gonna look at this shit again? Fucking no. Never. What's the to-do? At 10, around 4 minutes 5 seconds. At 9, around 3 minutes 29 seconds. No fucking idea what this file is talking about. What's t.sh? Well, this made me nervous. This is artifact download. Oh, no wonder this never worked. There's a fucking 2 at the end here. No idea what that was about. What's in the Y directory? Oh, the actual output's here. Yeah, I think I can just delete this. Goodbye, Sentry MyPy stats. You were shit. Kexit says, hello, sir. What is your favorite agent? Probably the Daniel Craig 007. Maybe. You can always recreate it. Yeah, I can spend 4 weeks of electricity. The community data analysis was neat though. Yeah, it was really cool. That was a really cool video. Yeah. This was, you know, I spent so much fucking work on this video. And it definitely was not worth it, but it was really cool. I was really happy with some of the graphs that you all made, and I think it was also really cool because I got to celebrate the viewers. And also the fucking absurd amount of work I put into that damn thing. Let's see what else we can clean up here. Oh, surely the Sentry directory. What is in here? It's just an empty clone of Sentry. Yep, definitely don't need that. What's in Slurp? Oh, copies of all the videos. This is my debug script. This is my actually run Slurp. Which I don't need any of this anymore. Did I archive this repo? Slurp. Public, not archived. I guess we can add a readme. We can add a readme that links to videos. Slurp. Need to do whatever the syntax is for the thumbnail thing. How do I find a thumbnail? Here? Yeah. And then this. Fuck. Fuck. God damn it. Making of slurp. Mr. Watson, note, thank you for stopping by. Tabby the Panda, hello, hello. How's it going? What about 47? What does that mean? Is that the neurotoxin? Or is that Ancient Orange? I don't know. It's this channel? Making the slurp video. I should just do this in the GitHub editor. That way I can click preview and make sure it actually works. But that would make too much sense. Also, why are we on something that's not the right YouTube playlist? What the fuck? 47 is from the Hitman games, yeah. Just 1 week away? From what? From what? Blurp, 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 blurp. Oh, fucking A. One week away from Slurp? What does that mean? How does one acquire Slurp in 1 week? Add a reamd. Yeah. I'm bad at making bits? What do you mean? What do you mean? Slurp. Slurp. Type this to confirm. Haha. Oh, it didn't make me tap my little thing. I'm surprised. My Oshi is not clippable. Did I take my meds? I don't know. I think I did. I definitely didn't take them twice. I'm pretty sure I did. Person clicks add me readme. Copilot suggests commit message update readme. Yeah. The bot is shit. Okay. So I can get rid of Slurp. Goodbye, Slurp. Oh, we don't need this anymore either, right? This is the old one. Yeah, surely we don't need this. Who else is big? Python, that's fine. Dead snakes, that's also fine. Oh, we have this as well. This is the other rewrite one. We also don't need you. Probably don't need you either. Anybody else that's multi-big? Microcontrollers is pretty big, but that's fine. Premit CI, that's fine. Nobody else is too large. Now we have 40 gigs free. Okay. We good. Ziguchi says that reminds me. Was the Easter egg found? It was not found. And it's probably best that I will just never be telling you what the Easter egg is. What the fuck? What happened here? Oh man, I was not fast enough. Oh, damn it. I was not fast enough. You bonked the bot. Who else is big? Fair. Fair. Perhaps I deserve that bonk. I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna make a guess here. Make a guess here that no, this seems deterministic. Somebody is writing to XDG cache home that they weren't writing to it before. So one of these is not as deterministic as it was before. And who do I blame? Who do I blame? Who do I yell at here? Run their image. Docker file. Maybe we blame virtualenv? We will see. Me when I don't use Nix. I really don't use Nix. Yeah. So you all the time. Yeah. It's probably not Go, because this is a deterministic version. It's probably not Node. It's probably not Roost. It's probably not Swift. It could be .NET. No, it's probably not .NET either. We don't run anything here. It's probably Conda. It's probably fucking Conda. No, this looks deterministic too. Probably not Dart. This still isn't fixed. It's so annoying because all they need to do is rebuild and re-release. And I think I commented on this. Yeah, oh no, I did manage to build this. Oh, this was 3 years ago. Yeah. And then I want to say I commented on one of these other ones where I had figured it out. Oh, this is when I used to post VODs. Huh. But anyway, that's still a problem. Is this chugging along now? Okay. Okay, so we should be able to not gonna run rmti wat bash. Fucking virtualenv. Fucking virtualenv. Oh, fucking virtualenv. Why? This is supposed to do the thing. Does it no longer work? It's super annoying. It's super annoying. Go is not to blame. No way. I mean, virtualenv was my first guess, so. Well, what the fuck? What? What the fuck? Let's see. Virtualenv override app data equals pwd slash. What the fuck? This is even weirder because it looks like it's working here. Oh, did I not? I didn't do this, so that's part of it. That worked fine? Oh. Oh. Virtualenv used to use XDG Data Home and no longer does. Is that what it is? That must be the problem. Python discovery. Oh, fucking A, man. Yeah. So what? Do I even bother reporting this? Do I actually give a fuck? It's just fucking annoying. So I bet this behavior I bet this behavior can be shown like this instead. And then pip install virtualenv less than 21. Yeah, so what? That doesn't make sense. Pipe Alzamora, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. Nodes is a little funky because executing arbitrary code from the working directory just is a bad idea. It's like all sorts of security escalation nonsense. Yeah, on the server, how you doing? MDS Ubuntu is also here. Hello, hello. Who the heck adopts XDG standards and then drops them? It's not that they dropped them, I think they just moved it. Because it definitely used to be XDG Data Home and then changed at some point. And I'm not figuring out why. Because it's definitely writing to cache there. And it definitely used to write to data. Which means it's probably changed further back? No? I'm pretty sure it's this fucking patch here, unless it's this one. No, that's unrelated. User cache dir. Oh, here it is. Platform dirs. Oh, this is super recent. Yeah. So that's the version it changed in. So now it should say XDG data. Yeah. It's a little annoying. A little annoying. Do 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 do. Yeah, this is kind of annoying, but whatever. Okay, so the fix isn't too bad. Data home is now cache home. Yeah. A little annoying, but we figured it out. So that's cool. Copy link and paste. I literally checked what platform doors was earlier today. Yeah, I mostly choose to ignore the standard because it's much easier to just be like, use XDG even on Windows and macOS. Which, like, I'm sure people don't like, but whatever. I don't give a fuck. It always shows in my compiled requirements files. Yeah, a lot of things depend on it. You ran into this change too? How did you run into this, Bozo? It seems like something that'd be really obscure to find. Like, really obscure to find. But we found it. Of fucking course we found it. Yeah. Let's see. It is 4 o'clock. Oh, it's only been a 2-hour stream. I feel like I haven't got much done today. And I kind of don't want to start something bigger. So, yeah. So I'm probably gonna wrap up here. In our course, I was using the virtual and latest via the PyZ. You were learning about XDG. Oh, what a wild coincidence that you would run into that while learning, specifically while learning about XDG. Yeah, I'm gonna delete that. Oh shit, I gotta do my timesheet. I think all the rest of the stuff I've already done. Cool, nice. But yeah, I think that's gonna wrap us up for today. Sorry this is a short stream. Yeah, I gotta go record some YouTube videos because I haven't recorded in a while. Yeah, that's gonna wrap us up. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Go subscribe there. If you missed any part of the stream, I'm really close to 50K, by the way. Really close. Click the button. If you missed any part of the stream, those will end up on the second channel at anthonywritescode-vods, where I upload my VODs and my shit posts. So go subscribe there as well. Join the Discord. Thank you, DDelsp, for the link. And thank you all for stopping by. I will hopefully see you around in the future. Have a good one, chat. Peace.